Got some stuff I'm ready to show off for this edition of Unsleeved. First off, I put in my monthly order to Shadebeast, who also is a sponsor of the Flamekeeper that me and Mark do. So show some support, and make sure you go to their website, shadebeast.com. And if you use the code SITHLORD, you get free shipping on your first purchase, old or new customer. So make sure you take advantage of that. Tell Joe you came from the Flamekeeper, and everyone's happy. So the first thing in the package I pulled out is these two past show flyers, which is pretty cool. They do the Shadebeast Presents concert series down there in Athens. So if you're, hour or two within the area, you should go check out these shows and support these small bands that they, give this opportunity to show off what they got. Also in the package was this Blacktooth Grin Max Siebel sticker, which unfortunately I do not have this shirt because I missed out on the pre-order and all the popular sizes were already gone. And for the main thing that I got is the newest Undead inspired series of Bruce Dickinson. Even though he is still much alive, I couldn't pass this up because I'm a huge Maiden fan. This one's one of the cooler ones they've done. I put this one just above the Van Halen one. If you've never seen that one's my favorite that I have. On the back is the Shadebeast logo. And then, kind of a dork thing, but I like attention to small details, so I'm going to show it off. On the inside, on the tag, is the Shadebeast logo, and then the Undead by Max Siebel logo on the tag, which I think is really cool. Attention to detail. They didn't have to do it, but they did. I think it makes that much cooler. So, let you know that it's not mass produced, it's custom, it's all, made off pre-orders. So, if you like this shirt or any of the other shirts and they're sold out and you see one in the future, make sure you pre-order it to ensure that you get one. All right, so the next thing I got actually came today from the Royal Mail from good old UK. Back in January on the Metal Forge, Mark had a guest named Becky Baldwin who had a pretty cool story about being picked off Instagram to fill in for bass duties on the Merciful Fate US tour. So I've listened to her band Fury, which I have the cassette right here. Liked what I heard, went ahead and bought it to show some support. It's a DIY tape, which is pretty cool. You can usually tell because they have the stickers instead of the printed cassettes, like my band does. And so if you're a fan of trad metal with really good production and I would say catchy vocal harmonies and stuff, check out this band. Pretty good. Here's the J card folded out. And then here's the back side with the band photo, credits, and other information you might need. So I'll be listening to this in my work truck tomorrow. That's good to have something new to listen to. And then also inside, when I pulled this tape out, I noticed there were some more goodies in there. So we have this Fury sticker they sent. Got that. And then... Oh, okay. So we have tour flyer. Very cool. I doubt I'll make any of these shows. They're all overseas. And then on the back is some of their merch. So CDs, vinyl, shirts. So pretty cool insert to let everyone know that there's more out there if you're interested. And then also, speak of the guest herself, she does Patreon stuff with, it looks like just bass transcriptions, her own merch, tutorials, stuff like that. So there's that one, and then on the back she has some of her own merch, shirts and such. So go back to the Metal Forge and listen to that episode, and if you like what you hear, buy something from her in the UK. I'm sure Fury and herself would much appreciate it. So finally, I have the new vinyl from Coffin Torture. We've got the glare here. So this one's called Blenoid. I showed off the cassette tape on a previous Unsleeved. And yeah, so this one's really cool because it has some local connections. This vinyl was actually pressed at a relatively new pressing plant here in Asheville called Citizen Vinyl. This vinyl in particular is translucent yellow. I don't want to touch it yet. I haven't even listened to it. Artwork by Alex Thorfinn, the guitar player singer. He does some pretty crazy stuff. I was actually the first person to buy a copy of this album. I bought it before it was really even supposed to be on sale. Since they were picking it up in town, I actually met them and grabbed a copy for me and a friend of mine. So yeah, it's really cool to have something pressed from 15 minutes down the road. And I'm gonna venture and say that it's probably the best thing ever pressed at that plant so far. And no, I didn't stutter. I truly do believe that because I've seen some of the stuff that comes out of there. It's a bunch of singer-songwriter, jam band, even like tribute bands record like stuff and press it. I don't really get that whole thing, but whatever. Teach your own, I guess. But that's all I got for this week. Don't forget to subscribe to the Flamekeeper Patreon. It's patreon.com/Flamekeeper, where you can get early access for podcast, early notification for videos like this and the Alehorn and MUDHORN, and some other perks for only $1, $2, or $5. The more you pledge, the more you get, obviously. And yeah, if not, just make sure to sub to the Flamekeeper YouTube channels, Metal Forge, Alehorn, and MUDHORN. This series is included in the Alehorn YouTube, so make sure you subscribe and follow and all that stuff. And as always, guys, stay safe, stay heavy, keep the heavy metal flame lit, and we will talk to you next time.